Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and so good to have you here. And today I'm going to show you my honey skincare routine. Honey skincare basically means healthy glowing skin, and for this routine we're going to use humectant rich products that can soothe our skin, that can hydrate our skin. We're going to use ingredients like propolis, honey, glycerin. Is gonna give you this healthy, glowy, dewy skin, and plus it's gonna support your skin barrier, or if you have any inflammation, it's gonna calm it down. For this routine, I'll be using 3 products from Cosrx, and these are from their Propolis line. I got these products from Beauty Burn India. Beauty Burn has authentic Cosrx products, and you're gonna get best prices and offers on Cosrx. And I remember I bought my first Korean skincare from Beauty Burn India, and there was no looking back. They have really good K-beauty collection, and they give really good offers. And for now, let's get into the skincare routine. First, I have Cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. It has 72.6% black bee propolis extract and 10% honey extract to brighten and nourish dull skin. You can use this every day. This is a fragrance-free formulation. It can work for all skin types. This toner feels so hydrating and soothing upon application. It hydrates instantly. It gives healthy complexion. It feels really gentle on the skin and doesn't feel sticky or greasy. I also noticed that it reduces redness and inflammation because propolis is anti-inflammatory. For the second step, I have Cosrx Full Fit Propolis Light Ampoule. It has 83.3% propolis extract and the texture is like honey, but this is non-sticky. It also has panthenol, arginine. It provides long-lasting hydration. This one keeps my skin glowy. Also, I have noticed it works on enlarged pores. This is a fragrance-free formulation, and its healing formula can help the skin so much to have the healthy glow. And lastly, I have Cosrx Propolis Light Cream. It has 64% propolis extract, 1% honey extract, and 1% royal jelly extract. This moisturizer is rich and nourishing. It gives healthy, dewy glow, but it doesn't feel greasy or sticky, which I really like. It soothes my minor skin irritations, even helps to minimize redness, and it also soothes the dry patches. It's a wonderful formulation. This is fragrance free and suitable for all skin types. And this routine is excellent for healthy glowing skin. I hope you enjoyed this honey glow too. Check out Beauty Burn to buy these products, and I really hope you find this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.